Hello everyone. I am Paul Collar from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Sullivan, working with J.J. Wood tonight, and I want to give you an overview of the weather conditions that we're expecting over the next week. This is our new our situational awareness display that we're using. We've got some lights here, so we're still early in the experimental process of using this. So if you have suggestions or want to share comments on your thoughts on how this is looking and hearing on your end, we'd certainly love to hear your comments. So let's kind of wait to get some more people online here, and we'll get going. So hope everyone had a wonderful weekend and are ready for the week ahead. We know that next Monday we have the big eclipse, so hopefully we'll have some sunshine around here so that we can get the full effect of it. So let's get started by looking at our current situation. And basically what you will notice if you have any kind of an app that shows radar data, all this activity here, we haven't been getting any ground truth. JJ has been monitoring the observations, and his thoughts were maybe a sprinkle here coming out of this, but that would be about it. The better returns seem to be in northern Illinois. So we're not expecting any of this activity, but we are looking over into Minnesota here, and we are seeing more vigorous showers and thunderstorms here lined up from southwest Minnesota right into northwest Wisconsin. And we're thinking this activity is what we will likely see around here getting into tomorrow afternoon and evening. So if you have any outdoor plans this evening, should be fine. May have a few clouds out there, but again, we're not too concerned about what we see here on radar in southwest Wisconsin and into northern Illinois. So that's the current situation with what's going on. So let's take a look at, this is a model depiction, I'm going to hop over here, of, and again, it's a snapshot of what we're expecting. This is one model solution. So this would be like right now, 7 p.m. It's not 7 yet, but this is a model depiction of what the precipitation would be looking like at about 7. And remember, I showed you on radar, there's all that activity out there. And we're just going to advance this here. This is at 1 a.m. Again, here we are here in southern Wisconsin. All the activity is off to our west. And then here's 7 a.m. on Monday morning. Again, activity probably in a weakened state off to our west. And here we go now. This is getting into Monday afternoon, and the model is generating some showers and probably some thunderstorms as well. And we're going to go ahead. Let me get back to this. This is 7 p.m. and it's showing, again, a pretty good shot at some showers and thunderstorms in the area. And then we're going to get into 1 a.m. Tuesday. Still, the model is showing a fair amount of precipitation here. And then we're going to get into Tuesday morning, and this model is starting to kind of dry things out here, focusing the precipitation to our south and southeast. And it looks like it's going to stay that way. This is 1 o'clock Tuesday. So this is kind of a lull in the precipitation here on Tuesday. The best chance will be near the Wisconsin-Illinois border. And then we get into Tuesday night, again, still looking fairly quiet across the area. And then this is at 7 a.m. Wednesday. Again, it's still showing the focus off to our south and to our west. And then 1 o'clock Wednesday, starting to see a little uptick near Madison. But you can tell we have another system approaching here from out in the plains. And here we go at 7 p.m. Wednesday. The activity will be spreading into the area. And as we go ahead in time, this is 1 a.m. Thursday, so overnight Wednesday. So it looks like Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night is going to be the period of time we'll have to keep a close eye on. And then this is getting into Thursday morning. You can see there's still this system moving through. So probably not in as strong of a state as these storms would be Wednesday afternoon and evening, but still some rain to be dealing with. And then things kind of quiet down then, getting into Thursday, especially afternoon. and then going into the Thursday night, right into Friday. So we'll have some dry weather coming. So we're not looking at this prolonged period of rainfall, but again, some concentrated areas this week. And then Friday right now is looking reasonably good. Again, this is a model forecast, so this is just the model's opinion of how things are going to evolve. And then getting into Friday night and Saturday, looks like a weaker system here. This isn't showing a lot of precipitation in southern Wisconsin. Again, Saturday could be a little bit dicey, and see if we can get all the way out into next Sunday. Yes, it looks like next Sunday probably would be the better of the 2 days. So that is the forecast model that we're looking at there. Now, I'm going to give you an overall outlook now. This is for the period tomorrow, August 14th, through next Sunday, August 20th. So we're going to go day by day. So I gave you an overview of the model. Now we're going to kind of look at the day-to-day details of what we're expecting. So Monday, tomorrow, highs mid to upper 70s. Storm potential, there is a chance in the morning, mainly west of Madison, and then that afternoon chance will be spreading east as the day goes on. At this point, we're not expecting severe weather. Now we move into Tuesday, August 15th, highs 75 to 80. Storm potential, again, as I showed you on the model, it is indicating dry weather for Tuesday. So we're gonna go with that, and at least in the Northeast, but the chances, as the model showed, could be near the Illinois border, at least some chances, not expecting severe weather. Okay. So now we're going to move into Wednesday, August 16th. And again, Wednesday into Wednesday night looks like the best chance for at least some severe potential and some heavy rain potential as well. So we're calling the storm potential as likely, highs upper 70s, low 80s. Notice you're not seeing any heat in this forecast. Very comfortable temperatures here for mid-August. So again, severe question mark at this point, possible. We'll know more on this as we go along, but there may be a lot of cloud cover around, which could limit that instability. But we should have a good amount of moisture in the atmosphere. So perhaps heavy rain may be the bigger threat than severe weather with this system, but we'll be refining our forecast as we go through time here. As we get into Thursday, again, comfortable temperatures, upper 70s to lower 80s. That storm potential, low, especially in the morning. There could be a good deal of rainfall around in the morning, more showers, maybe some isolated thunderstorms. Not expecting any severe weather on Thursday the 17th. We'll head into Friday the 18th. Again, very comfortable temperatures, 75 to 80. Just a slight chance of some showers or storms, not expecting any severe weather. And then next weekend, again, this is just a preliminary outlook. Again, these temperatures are looking pretty comfortable, near 80. And again, Saturday right now, next Saturday the 19th, looks like a chance Saturday, and Sunday's looking mostly dry at this time. So what I would like to do is I'm going to get out of here. Let's see. So let's take a look at our 6 to 10 day outlook. So there is some potential as we get into late next weekend, especially into early the following week. We could see some heat buildup around here, so we'll keep an eye on that. And this is the 6 to 10 day outlook, and it is showing this pocket of above normal temperatures. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. Precipitation, we're not in the absolute max of above normal probabilities, but a trend towards at least a little wetter than normal over the next 6 to 10 days. So let's go to the 8 to 14 day outlook, even looking a little bit longer, still showing this signal for above normal temperature here across much of the Great Lakes region and even extending into the Northeast. Looking at precipitation, still that slight tinge of a upward trend in precipitation chances. Now we're going to take a look at a 3 to 4 week outlook. So this is very preliminary, and this is showing right now not a lot of confidence for, colder or warmer than normal temperatures. This is basically you know, just it could be either of the three. Equal chances of below normal, normal, or above normal. As far as precipitation goes, again, this is leaning towards just basically a either-or situation. Again, it's a 3 to 4 week outlook, so not a real strong signal here, although we are a little bit close to that above normal on precipitation. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them on Facebook, and that is the briefing for today, this Sunday. Have a good week, everyone.